Hello everyone, Prepcoms UK here with a quick unboxing video of an EDC Hank and phone pad which I got from Carmitty, who is the good lady of Chunky Prepper. So let's have a little look and see what's in the package. So nicely packaged in some tissue paper with a Carmitty logo, and let's get it open, see what it looks like. Look at that. They obviously know me very well. I do like a Haribo sweet. So let's have a look at the Hank first. Oh, that's really good quality. Thank you, Tracy. That is absolutely fantastic. That's really good. And that's going to be in a lot of my Instagram pictures now when I'm uploading photos of leatherwork and things that I've made. I really like that a lot. Look at the quality on that. Also, the logo. Try and get that right on the camera. Carmitty. Now I think Tracy's in the process of setting up her Etsy shop at the moment, and when it is up and running I think she's going to do incredibly well. Quality on this is absolutely fabulous. I love it, and the skull and crossbones is always something that's appealed to me anyway, so when I saw the unfinished article I said, right, I've got to have that one. That is going to be mine. I love this. This is absolutely fab. Let's turn it over and see what there is. Okay. That I like a lot. Let's see if I can work out some measurements for you. That is 11 inches by 11 inches. It's really thick, but not too thick. That is really good quality, and I love this logo at the bottom. Very, very good indeed. Let's have a look at the pad. Okay, so that's thicker. That's obviously got something in the middle of it. That's designed for cleaning the screen on your mobile phone or your cameras, GoPros, that sort of thing. I am over the moon with this. Again, the workmanship is absolutely fabulous. Love it. Tracy, you've done ever so well, and you're going to have a great time selling this stuff on Etsy and possibly on eBay as well, or you'll have to let me know where you're going to be selling these things, and I will get some publicity out there for you. I think it's absolutely fabulous. I love it. And this is going to take up a big part of my EDC kit. So I was asking on one of the forums the other day what the purpose of a Hank is for EDC, as these are obviously thicker and better quality than like a normal handkerchief, and it was explained to me that people use it to stop their EDC from rattling around. Perfect for use in first aid, wiping your nose like you do with a normal Hank, but this is too good. You would not want to be wiping your nose with this. This is absolutely beautiful stuff. So for the purpose of uploading pictures to Instagram and keeping your EDC kit in check, I think this is absolutely brilliant. So Tracy, Carmitty, there we are. Thank you so much for this. Absolutely love it, and that's definitely going to be part of my kit from now on. Thanks everyone. Prepcoms UK out of here for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.